Hi, Blue Spellers. Happy Friday. This week, our spelling words, we are focusing on the long I vowel sound. One way to spell the long I vowel sound is with the spelling pattern Y, the spelling pattern IGH, and the spelling pattern I. Okay, so let's start with the spelling pattern Y. Remember, the long I vowel sound, you hear I's name. I. If it was short I vowel sound, you would hear I, but you hear I's name if it's a long vowel sound. Okay, fry, a French fry. Okay, you hear I's name even though it's spelled with an you hear Y's name even though you know it's spelled with a Y. Fry. Notice how you hear it at the end of the word. Spy. I spy on my siblings. Spy. July. Now, why am I giving July an uppercase J? Right, it's a proper noun. It's a specific month. It's not just any month. It is July, so you give it an uppercase J. Notice all of the long I vowel sound, when you hear that, it's at the end of the word. So you know it's spelled with a Y. Okay, let's do IGH. Write. Now, this isn't the type of write that you write with a pencil. That's spelled W-R-I-T-E. This write is, am I going right to get to school or am I going to go left to get to school? Okay, it's the direction. Night. At night, you get ready for bed and you brush your teeth. Night. Both of these words, you hear the long I vowel sound, but it's in the middle of the word. Okay, notice the spelling pattern. I-G-H, those three letters together make a long I vowel sound. It's kind of tricky. You don't hear the G or a soft G, J, and you don't hear H. The three letters together form a long I vowel sound. Hi. Hi. So this hi isn't saying hi. Okay, that's H-I. This high is, oh, I'm way up high. Maybe if you're standing in a tall tower, you're way up high from the ground. That's that kind of high. Now notice this IGH, the IGH spelling pattern is at the end of the word. So sometimes IGH spelling pattern can be at the end of the word. Light. In the morning, it starts to get light outside. Light. Okay, let's look at the spelling pattern just with an I. Kind. You hear I say its name in kind. It's not kind. Kind. Find. You hear a long I vowel sound in find. I find my toys when they go missing. Child. You hear I's name, I. It's not it's not chilled, it's child. Oh, I missed one in the spelling pattern IGH, sigh. Notice how you hear that long I vowel sound at the end of the word, but it's spelled IGH. So sigh is, I've got to do lots of reading today. Sigh. Maybe it's something you don't want to do, or maybe you sigh because it's Friday and you don't have school tomorrow. So you sigh. All right, so these are your spelling words for this week. Make sure that you practice them, and your spelling check-in is next Thursday. Have a great weekend.